Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Android TV Box. This is the B866V2K. Very easy name. And anyway, I'll be going over unboxing. I'll go with a quick look at the device itself. Okay, so let's just get straight into this. Now, this is a 4K Ultra HD HDR support quad-core CPU and 3+2 core GPU with a voice remote and 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi dual band, and looks to be all the info. It also supports Dolby audio and comes with YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video, or I should say pre-installed. Considering it's an Android box, you can basically get most of those applications anyways, so it doesn't really matter if it comes pre-installed or not, because you can just download it yourself. Now, in here, let's just rip that off, take everything out. So, we have our barrel plug connection, which shouldn't this have a Type-C? But in any case, then we got HDMI to HDMI cable, our small remote control, actually feels pretty nice, nicely tactile, very clicky buttons. Do like this, though the wheel right here is plastic while the buttons are rubber. Yep, so all the buttons apart from this wheel with the center button are rubber. Battery wise, we get the two AAA batteries. Remote control is solid. Anyway, and here, if we look at the back, we have our plug for power, AV. This, I think, not sure why it's labeled AV, but this looks like it just separates sound. So just a headphone jack. Then we got an HDMI and Ethernet port. We also have a USB-C port, so you can plug in something like a media or hard drive, so you can access that and play movies if you store them on some kind of drive. And obviously the device comes with 2 batteries for the remote control and that charger with non-detachable cable, barrel plug, and for me this is the European plug. So there we go. That's basically everything that there is. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.